coming to an organization like this, you don't know what you're coming into. I've never worked in healthcare before, and I have just been so impressed with so many different areas of the organization. Obviously, having gone through COVID with Bellin, I think you can either see the best or the worst in people, I think, in the middle of that. And Bellin, it was just the best. It was unbelievable seeing the way that organization, and more importantly, the people in that organization, rallied and supported each other and did things that we've never done before. So when I looked and saw that they'd never been nominated, it was just like, oh, they do so many things for young leaders and employees that it seemed like a no-brainer to me. Bellin has a lot of different ways that I think they recognize and try to, see the benefits really of having a very diverse workforce of all ages. But specifically, I think investing in some of the young professional initiatives is something I've seen in the past couple of years, even more efforts toward. The Lead From Where You Are program that we do is probably the best example of that, because it's taking those voices of our young professionals that work at Bellin and showing them, hey, here are the organizational challenges. What would you do to help us? And we're implementing those. I just looked at the list of projects and they're moving. It's not just, it's not just a focus group where they're gathering feedback. They're moving forward on those solutions that our group of young professionals at Bellin is recommending. So I think that's such a great example of walking the walk and talking the talk, right? That we're listening to them and actually putting into practice ideas that they've had. Bellin encourages our employees to be involved in the community. We do an annual community benefit reporting where we try to put a number on the impact in the community that we have. Last year's number was over $60 million of impact, both in time volunteering and in actual financial investment. Just such a long-standing partner in the community and someone who has always retained talent and tried to build up that next generation workforce.